The only thing worse than being in a car crash is when you're in a car crash involving a hit and run. What do? How can you get compensated? The first thing we do is we try to track this guy down. Most of the time, we can't find him. The police don't do an investigation, or they do an investigation, they can't find anything. So we can still get you compensation in those cases. If you have what's called uninsured motorist coverage with your insurance company, that is something that I, as your lawyer, can pursue for you for your pain and suffering, your medical bills, and things like that. It's important for you to have it because these things do happen in Florida. There's a lot of hit and runs in Florida, unfortunately. But if you do have uninsured motorist coverage in your insurance policy, then you can pursue your own insurance policy for the negligence of the person who led the scene, who hit and run. Any damages you suffered because of that, you can go after your uninsured motorist company for. But I can tell you, your insurance company will fight you tooth and nail, just as if you were going after the at-fault party about the value of your case. And what happens at these trials is your insurance company will basically try to say that you're a liar, a cheat, and a fraud. They will hire doctors to try to infer that you're lying, that your injuries aren't what you say they are, so that they can save a few bucks and they try to get off without paying. And like I said in many videos, if insurance companies did the right thing, I'd be out of a job. But in the context of a hit and run, or in the same situation, if you're hit by somebody who has no bodily injury insurance, most of the time when people don't have any bodily injury insurance is because they're broke. That's why they have the most basic insurance that you can get. In that same situation, just like with the hit and run, in that same situation where you have someone who can't afford to pay for your medical care and your pain and suffering, if you have uninsured motorist coverage, again, that's a place where we can go to get money for you. People sometimes ask me, how much does it cost to hire you, Mr. Jaspon? And I always have great news for them. Absolutely nothing. I work for free until I get them money. I work on what's called contingency. I only get paid if I get money for you. I want to get you as much as I can for your injuries, because the more I get for you, the more I get for myself. I literally will work for free. And if I don't get you anything for some reason, if there's no insurance, there's no money there, whatever, then I am out my time on your case and you don't owe me anything. If I do get you money, I get a third of whatever I get for you. It works best for both parties because you get someone working for you really hard because they only get paid if they get money for you. So it works for you and it works for us also. A lot of cases are done virtually. Gone are the days where you meet kneecap to kneecap with your lawyer. We take clients all over the state of Florida. I have clients down in Key West and Miami, and I go as far as the panhandle of Florida. We don't need to be there physically to do your case. I had court this morning, and it was done virtually. I had a hearing with the judge from my home office. The only time we really need to be in that location where the crash occurred is when we have a trial. And I will show up in my suit and tie, and I'll try that case for you. If you have had that happen to you, please give me a call. We can sit down, we can talk about it, and we can see how we can help you. Thank you.